Hi everyone, this is Betty with Elegantly Designed by B. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my huge shopping haul I did last weekend at Burlington, Ross, Hobby Lobby, Dee Home Goods, and I also ordered a couple of things from Amazon as well. Also, I did grab one thing from the Dollar Tree. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and share those items with you. Let's start off with the Dollar Tree. I did find these wood-looking charger plates. I have them in the gray color. They came out with the gold color, so I did grab 8 of them. Okay. At Hobby Lobby, I found these buffalo checker charger, and they were $1.99 at 50% off. And also, I grabbed 8 of these, and I also grabbed 8 of this black chargers with some it has some details here around the charger plate, and these were also $1.99 at 50% off. Okay, and my next haul is at Dee's. I found these beautiful brick color placemats. They come 6 in a pack, and these were for $7.99. You can see $7.99 for 6. I also found a set of 4 stainless steel straws. This was on sale for $1.99. Also from Dee's, I found these bamboo place setting mats. They come with a bonus with some coasters, 4 coasters, 4 placemat, 4 coasters. And I got a great deal on these. It was $4.99. I do have 2 of these placemats, so that pretty much completes my set, but still missing 2 coasters. But that's okay. Okay. Also from Dee's, I found these beautiful tropical placemat, and the prints are on both sides, which is great. This here is for $6.99, and I will be using this pretty soon on an outdoor tablescape. Now moving on to Burlington. In Burlington, I found these placemat. It's 4, and this was for $9.99. Buffalo checkered placemats. I also found these wine cups, outdoor wine cups. They're a set of 4, and these were for $7.99. It's a blush, like a rose gold color. And the 2 other items I purchased from Burlington, which I found are very beautiful. The colors are very nice and vibrant with these melamine plates. They come 4 in a pack. And these this set costs $9.99. And also I found a matching plates. Can be used for appetizers. This was $14.99 for 3. $14.99 for 3. You can see how they match. And I believe I'll be using this here with the runner. Beautiful. Okay, and that is it for Burlington. Now let's move on to Home Goods. At Home Goods, I was able to find these placemats. I found 7 of them, so I paid $7.99, even though it's not a full set, but paid $7.99 for a 7 set, so which I thought it was pretty good. I believe the $7.99 was for 4. So got it for a good deal. Also at Burlington, I'm sorry, at Home Goods, I got this table runner denim in white for $6. And I also found not a exact match, but it is a denim. This one is denim in ivory, and this one is denim in white. This is it comes in four for $4. Okay. Did find these napkins. I purchased 2 of them. They come 4 in a pack, and each pack was for $4. This is like I would say a sage green with gray plaid print. Did find these shabby chic napkins, set of 4 for $5. And I also found this mint green white stripe napkins. Purchased 2 of them, and they were $5 each. Last thing from Home Goods, found this set of napkins and placemats. 4 napkins, 4 placemats for $8. And I'll be using this as well this weekend for my galvanized tablescape. One thing I forgot to mention I purchased from Burlington was this food dome. You can see it. Food dome. I grabbed 2 of these, and these were for $4.99 each. $4.99 each. I think that's very beautiful with nice detail on there. And last but not least, from Amazon, I'm sorry, I did, I forgot about Ross. I did a haul at Ross, and I found these beautiful coasters, and I do have matching napkin rings for these. These were on sale for $1.99. Grabbed 2 of these, and I found 1 set of this bumblebee coaster, and that was also for $1.99. Also at Ross, I did find these melamine plates by Fig and Fern, a set of 4, and these were also on sale for $4.99. $4.99. I also found them in this print, which is like a cheetah print, for $4.99 for 4. Also from Ross, I purchased this galvanized cake stand, and this one was on sale as well for $4.49. I do have a cake stand already, but this one is a little bit bigger than the one I have. I believe I'll be using this for the galvanized tablescape this weekend. Two more things from Ross. I found this whistling tea kettle. You can see. Found it in this color. Didn't find any other color. So this one was for $8.99 for this here. Last thing from Ross, I found this beautiful vase with gold trim in the bottom, and this is a hammered glass. It has some nice texture on there, and this here was for $14.99 by India, and I think India does have beautiful collection, some nice pieces. My last haul, I ordered these beautiful napkins, again buffalo checkered napkins from Amazon. They come 12 in a pack, and they were less than $15. 12 in a pack. 100% cotton. And last but not least, I did order these galvanized charger plates. Very nice. Let me take them out. Galvanized charger plates from Amazon. I got the 4 for $21. For $21. And that pretty much concludes my haul. I thank you for watching. Please look out for future videos on some beautiful tablescape. Also on events, planning events. I'll be having pretty soon, decorating pretty soon for a couple events. So do look out for those videos. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment. Thanks again.